Hello everyone, I am Rabi Barik. We, the Sky Guardians, have researched on disaster management. Our problem statement title is the AI-based automated alarm generation and dropping of payload at a particular object through the drone. So let me give you a brief introduction about my project. Here we have designed a auto navigation drone system which senses the natural disasters such as earthquake and floods and detect the exact location of survivors using the help of AI and ML and stores the data using the cloud and provides the payload to them. So now let us go through our topic briefly, which will be explained further by my teammates.
In our project, we are using various sensors. Let's start with vibration sensor. Vibration sensor is also known as vibration switch module. It has a spring and a mass which is used to detect the vibration and motion. Water sensing. Water sensing can be done by two sensors, water flow sensor and water level sensor. Water flow sensor is also known as flow meter, which detect the water flow. Water level sensor. It provides the data on water level and change in depth of water levels. Floating switch. Floating switch detects the water levels and on the reservoirs. Ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the distance and the presence of the object. Pressure sensor. Pressure sensor is also known as barometric sensor, which detect the air pressure and provides the output. Temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is known as temperature transducer, which detects the temperature and provides the corresponding output.
This is about the camera section of our drone. Here we have used two cameras, that is the primary camera and secondary camera. The primary camera is used for the navigation purpose, face detection purpose and object detection purpose. For the navigation purpose, we have used the machine learning models, and for the face detection purpose, we have used the artificial intelligence, and for the object detection purpose, we have used CNN algorithm, that is the convolutional neural network. The secondary camera is used for the thermal imaging, and for the thermal image processing, we have used OpenCV.
Coming to the part managing the cloud storage, it is one of the main part of our project. The captured and uploaded data from the drone are being processed and filtered in the real time by cloud, and using the computer vision, it detects the object of its interest. Then determining certain conditions and circumstances, and if they are met, then the payload is being dropped to the survivors. Now let us know more about the payload, which will be explained further by my teammate Prasad Sahu.
Let's discuss about the payload mechanism. For payload mechanism, we are using rack and pinion gears based on the counting mechanism. To deliver the payload, we will have a count that has been collected by our camera module, and according to that, the number of payloads will be delivered to the desired location.
For autonomous navigation purpose, we have used machine learning models and learning algorithms. We have used SLAM algorithm. SLAM stands for simultaneous localization and mapping. Using this algorithm, the drone builds its own map according to the environment, as well as simultaneously the drone can detect its own position in that environment. We have used PID algorithm for the PID controllers. By using this, the drone can control its own desired height during that operation. We have used learning models like reinforcement learning. We have used this algorithm for the training purpose of the drone. By using this algorithm, the drone can take its own decision and learn the navigation policies through trial and error. We have also used path planning algorithms like A-star search. Using this algorithm, the drone can find its optimal path to reach the destination.
As we know, object detection and avoidance is more crucial for the planning of the drone its own path. So here we are using various type of techniques so that the drone can detect the object and avoid from the object. So here we are using various techniques such as sensors integration. In sensor integration, we are using various type of sensors like ultrasonic sensor, LIDAR sensors, IMU sensor, GPS sensors and camera sensors. The main work of these sensors is it will collect the data from its surroundings such as its orientations, positions, surrounding and it will map its own data. Now we will be doing data fusion. In data fusion we will be combining various type of data together that we have collected from various type of sensors. Now we will be having an object detection algorithm. The main work of the object detection algorithm is it will detect the objects on its surroundings. Now we will be doing a path planning algorithm. In that path planning algorithm we will be having a PID algorithm. In PID algorithm we will be implementing the data that we have collected from various sensors. And after implementing the data that has been collected from various sensors, the drone can plan its own path accordingly by detecting the objects. As it has detected the object, so it can plan its own path and it will be having a collision-free trajectory of the drone. Thank you.
Let's head to the conclusion. The AI-based automated all-round generation and dropping of payload represent a remarkable fusion of cutting-edge technology and innovation. This exemplifies the limitless potential of human ingenuity and technology working hand in hand to shape a brighter and more connected future.